Dear students, today we would like to discuss about the total probability. The probability of any event defined on sample space S can be expressed in terms of conditional probabilities. Now let us consider a sample space having n mutually exclusive events, that is a Bn, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to capital N, as shown in figure. Now these events are said to be mutually exclusive events. So B suffix m intersection B suffix n equal to 5, provided m is not equal to n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to n. So when all these events combinedly can be written as sample space. Union n equal to 1 to n, Bn equal to S. Now we shall prove it as the total probability P of A. The total probability P of A. The total probability P of A summation can be written as summation n equal to 1 to n P of A by Bn into P of Bn. So, and we can write it as from equation 1, A intersection S equal to A. So substitute this S value, S value in this equation. Substitute this S value in this equation. Okay. We substitute it, we will be getting it as A intersection of union n equal to 1 to n, Bn equal to union n equal to 1 to n, A intersection Bn. A intersection Bn are mutually exclusive events. So by applying the axiom 3 to these events, we will be getting it as like this. So this can be written as P of A by B equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. P of A by Bn equal to P of A intersection Bn divided by P of Bn. From equation 2 and 3, we can total probability P of A can be written as summation n equal to 1 to n P of Bn into P of A by Bn. Bayes theorem. We know that P of Bn by A equal to P of Bn intersection A divided by P of A, if P of A is not equal to 0. This topic is Bayes theorem. We know that P of Bn by A equal to P of Bn intersection A divided by P of A, provided if P of A is not equal to 0. If P of Bn is not equal to 0, we can write it as P of A by Bn equal to P of A intersection Bn divided by P of Bn. One form of Bayes theorem is obtained by equating these two equations as P of Bn by A equal to P of A by Bn into P of Bn divided by P of A. Another form of Bayes theorem is by substituting P of A value in this equation. That is P of Bn by A equal to P of A by Bn into P of Bn divided by P of A by B1 into P of B1 plus P of A by B2 into P of B2 and so on to P of A by Bn into P of Bn for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to capital N. This Bayes theorem is a very important. Frequently they will be asking you problems on Bayes theorem. The next topic is independent events. See here, first for independent events, two events can be independent events, or three events can be independent events, or n events can be independent events. For the convenience sake, first we will be discussing by taking two events when two events are said to be independent. Later we will be going for n events. Now let us consider two events. These two events are said to be independent if the probability of occurring of one event is not affected by the occurrence of another event. Mathematically it can be written as P of A by B equal to P of A for statistically independent events. P of B by A equal to P of B for statistically independent events. We know that P of A by B equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Substituting equation 1 in equation 3. So we will be getting it as P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. This is the condition for two events to be an independent events. Independence mean the probability of joint occurrence intersection of two events must equal to product of two event probabilities. We know that joint probability of two mutually exclusive events is 0. If two events have non-zero probabilities of occurrence, then comparing of equation 4 and 5, we can say that two events cannot be both mutually exclusive events and independent events. Hence, in order for two events to be an independent events, they must have an intersection P of A intersection B equal to pi or P of A intersection B equal to 0. If a problem involves more than two events, then those events satisfying equation 1 or 4 are said to be independent by pairs. Now, let us consider the problem regarding the independent events. In an experiment, one card is selected from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability. The first one is to select a king, second one is to select a jack or queen, third one is to select a heart. To select a king, how many kings will be there in a pack of 52 cards? 4 kings will be there. That is 4 by 52. How many, that is jack or second problem. To select, what is the probability of to select a jack or queen? Jack or queen is there. Or means both. So how many jacks are there? 4. How many queens are there? 4. Are there any intersection points? 0. So P of B equal to 8 by 52. P of C. How many hot cards are there? How many hot cards are there from a pack of 52 cards? 13 hot cards will be there from a pack of 52 cards. The joint probability P of A intersection B equal to 0. So it is not impossible to simultaneously to select a king and a jack or queen. P of A intersection C equal to 1 by 52. P of B intersection C equal to 2 by 52. See, to check whether A, B, C are independent by pairs or not, P of A intersection B equal to 0, but P of A into P of B equal to 32 by 52 square. So they are not independent. A and B are not independent. P of A intersection C equal to 1 by 52. P of A into P of C, that is nothing but 1 by 52. 1 by 52. P of B intersection C equal to 2 by 52. That is P of B into P of C. That is 2 by 52. So A and C are independent by pairs. B and C are independent by pairs. But A and B are not independent by pairs. But they are mutually exclusive events. You need to keep in mind this. Now, up to now we have seen for two events. Now, when three events are said to be independent and when n events are said to be independent by pairs. See, when two events are said to be independent events, provided P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. Now, as triple events, A1, A2, A3 events. When the A1, A2, A3 events are said to be independent events, means that means P of A1 intersection A2 equal to P of A1 into P of A2. P of A1 intersection A3 equal to P of A1 into P of A3. P of A2 intersection A3 equal to P of A2 into P of A3. P of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 equal to P of A1 into P of A2 into P of A3. When all these four conditions are satisfied, then the three events are said to be independent by pairs. If only, see, when n events are said to be independent. Now, how many conditions are there to satisfy all n events are independent by pairs? See, such conditions, how many will be there means 2 power n minus 1 conditions will be there. Now let us consider a problem regarding the independent events. Consider drawing a 4 cards from pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting ace card on first hand, second draw, third draw, fourth draw. First bit is with replacement, second bit is without replacement. With replacement, drawing an ace on first draw, second draw, third draw, fourth draw are independent. So when they are independent, the answer will be 4 by 52 whole power 4. It's not a square, it is whole power 4. Now without replacement. Without replacement means the first draw P of A1 into P of A2 intersection A3 intersection A4 intersection by A1. The second time, third time, the fourth time. This will be 4 by 52, 3 by 51, 2 by 50, 1 by 41. So this will be the final answer. Now properties of some independent events. Frequently they will be asking you this. Write down some properties of independent events. If any events are independent, A1, A2, A3 and so on, An are independent events, then any one of them is independent of any event formed by union, intersection and complement of it. Please keep in mind that union, intersection, complement of other events are said to be independent events. For example, two events are said to be independent, A1, A2. It results that A1 is, if A1, A2 are independent events, it results that A1 is independent of A2 bar, A1 bar is independent of A2 and A1 bar is independent of A2 bar. Three events, A1, A2, A3, any one are independent events. Any one is independent of the joint occurrence of other two. For example, P of A1 intersection of A2 intersection A3 equal to P of A1, A2, P of A2, P of A3. That equivalent to P of A1 into P of A2 intersection A3. Similarly, other cases also possible. Any one event is also independent of the union of other two events. For example, P of A1 intersection of A2 union A3 equal to P of A1 into P of A2 union A3.